Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. So first go to your settings and then find here the Google option. So tap this one and you will find this Google page right here. Now I want you to tap on manage your Google account. Now here at the top, you can see data and privacy. So need to tap this data and privacy. And then scroll it down until the bottom until you will find the delete your Google account option. Delete your entire account and data. So tap this one. And then right over here, as you can see, the Google account, you need to re-enter your password. Then click next. Here on delete your Google account, you need to read all of these. All this content will be deleted, including your Gmail and YouTube account. So just check these two boxes right here, and once you've done, tap on the delete account option right at the bottom. So finally, your Google account has been deleted. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.